Hi guys, do you know how to use unless and what's its meaning? In our lesson today, we're going to see the use of unless. Unless means if not. unless تعني if not إذا لم negative تاع not. We use unless with type 1 of if. What's the rule of type 1? Type 1 it is if plus the first verb in the present simple and the second verb in the future. If we are going to use if لا راح unless if لا راح نستخدمه unless we use it with verb number 1 in the present simple and verb number 2 in the future. Let's see here how to use unless replacing if by unless. If you don't concentrate well, you will not understand the plan. If you don't concentrate well, you will not understand the plan. Type 1. We're going to write unless نكتب unless في بلاصة if. What do? We said unless means if not. قلنا unless هي negative تاع if. It means we omit if, we omit do, we omit not. We omit if and we omit the negative of if. نقلعو if ونقلعو negative تاع if. Then we write our sentence with unless plus the subject plus the verb. Unless you concentrate well, you will not understand the plan. Unless you concentrate well, you will not understand the plan. Let's write the rule. Unless plus subject plus the first verb in the present simple, the other details of the sentence, plus subject plus verb number 2 in the future, which means will, plus the verb in the infinitive and the other details of the sentence. Let's say other sentences. If you don't hurry, you will miss the flight. If you don't hurry, you will miss the flight. Starting by unless, what do? The same thing like number 1. We omit if and we omit the negative. نقلعو if نقلعو نشطبو على if ونشطبو على negative. Then we write, practice the rule, unless plus the subject, which is you, unless you plus the first verb in the present, the verb is hurry, plus subject, you will miss your flight. Let's see another example. Unless you drive carefully, you will commit an accident. Unless you drive carefully, you will commit an accident. If we're going to replace unless by if. هنا الجملة تاعنا فيها unless بنبدلو unless نعوضو unless ب if. قلنا unless هي if not. It becomes if plus the subject. If you, we don't say if you not drive. This is the verb. We don't say if you not drive, but if you do not drive. دايما نستخدمه auxiliaire. If you don't drive, it is in the present. If you don't drive carefully, if you don't drive carefully, you will commit an accident. if you don't drive carefully, you will commit an accident. Let's move to another sentence. Unless you catch the first train, you will miss the meeting. Unless you catch the first train, you will miss the meeting. If you omit unless, of course. If you do not catch the same one, the first train, you will miss the meeting. If you don't catch, if plus not. Let's see another example. If you make efforts, you will improve your English. If you make efforts, you will improve your English. Unless, we start our sentence with unless, we omit if. There is not a negative in the sentence. ما كانش عندنا negative في الفراز هذه. صافي من بعد كي نكتبوا unless نديرو negative في لا دوزيام بارتي تاع لا فراز. You will say it. Unless you make more efforts, you will not improve. You will not improve your English. It's important to understand the meaning of the sentence. من المهم أنك تفهم المعنى تاع الجملة وتكتبها صح. If you make more efforts, you will not improve your English. Another sentence, which is the same way. If you come early, I will take you with me for hunting. If you come early, I will take you with me for hunting. Unless you come early, I will not. قلنا لا ما لقيناش not مع if نديروها في لا دوزيام بارتي. You will not, I will not, sorry, take you with me for hunting.